Hello and welcome to Tango Basic and Beyond lessons. Here we explore how we can build advanced figures from basic figures which you can find in technique books. And today we will look at 5-step to drag and same foot lunge point. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. Let's start with 5-step. We will use in today's choreography 5-step in unusual way. We will change ending. Classical 5-step, man starts with left foot and dances quick, 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 quick and tap to promenade slow. Instead of tapping to promenade position, we will dance drag. So we dance quick, 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 step to side and drag to close, and then we will dance same foot lunge point. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us classical 5-step version. And quick, 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 quick and tap to promenade slow. Very good. From opposite angle. And quick, 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 slow. And now let's change ending. So we dance beginning of normal 5-step, then step to side and drag to close, and same foot lunge point. Same foot lunge means that we dance lunge on same foot, this time right foot. And quick, 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 slow, slow, slow and hold slow. Very good. Now let's do another figure. We will dance from quick step, reverse swivel, and continue with advanced fishtail line. Let's do it again. So we dance step, then swivel and step outside partner. Now let's continue further this figure with fishtail steps and then progressive link. So we dance reverse swivel, then steps of fishtail and progressive link, and we finish with in and out. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And slow, slow, quick, 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 and slow. And now let's dance this ending from same foot lunge position. This means lady uses extra step. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and slow. Very good. From opposite angle. So we start from same foot lunge position. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and slow. Notice head action in figure in and out. And now let's put together today's choreography. So we start with 5-step. We finish with drag to close, then same foot lunge point. We hold position here, then we dance reverse swivel with extra step for lady, then fishtail steps, continued by progressive link and in and out. Very good. Let's do it again. and quick, 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 slow, slow, and slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and slow. Very good. Let's do it from opposite angle. And quick, 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 slow, slow, and slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and slow. Let's look again and notice head actions for accent. We use double head actions. So we dance 5-step. Here we use double head action. Again, double head action. Here we have accent with head. Again, accent with head. And double head action in and out. Now let's look again and focus on timing. We have alternative timing for 5-step. Instead of first 4 quicks, we can dance with timing slow and slow and slow, slow and slow, slow, wind up on slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and slow. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.